This is my dog. I love my dog. Look at her. She's such a good girl. It's like she doesn't understand what's going on. It's so great. You know? It's so great to have a dog that loves you.